Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling assistive touch so you can control volume without the broken physical keys. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and tap Assistive Touch. Once done, toggle Assistive Touch on and a floating button appears on screen. You want to customize it next. Make sure to edit the top-level menu or assign a single or double tap action. This gives you an on-screen control that replaces the volume buttons and works instantly while you prepare the next step. Now you add direct volume controls to the assistive touch menu so adjusting sound is quick. Tap Customize Top-Level menu, then select an icon to replace and choose volume up or volume down. If you prefer a slider, add Control Center instead. Once done, use the floating button and tap the volume icons you added, or open Control Center from Assistive Touch to use the slider. Make sure to test both increase and decrease, so you know the exact tap pattern you'll use. Finish by testing volume changes in music, a video, and a call to confirm behavior. Move the floating button to an unobtrusive corner so it doesn't block content, and make sure the assigned taps respond reliably. If assistive touch seems slow or unreliable, restart your iPhone and check for an iOS update. That often fixes glitches. If you want a hardware restoration instead, contact a certified repair service to replace the damaged volume button. This restores physical control permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.